News flash: people are making money flipping websites, blogs and domains. Want to know more? Follow instructions after subscribing to this video.
Free to you make money flipping websites, blogs and domains. PDF. The flipping of website is a process where you create or make over a website and selling it off, or you can even create a new website, make it popular, and sell it off. It is more like buying a house, renovate it, and sell it to gain profit. When we do this with websites instead of the house, then we are flipping the websites to earn money. Two common types of website flipping is create something from scratch. Buy already created site, popularize it and sell it. This is a good way to earn, but yet many bloggers are not aware of flipping websites. We will share some useful tips and tricks for selling and buying websites, but before that let us discuss 3 basic steps of flipping websites.
Just like you see on TV, there are literally thousands of people making money on the internet from their own home. If you'd like to find out more, just tell us where to send this potentially life-changing information.